channel. We got the last rides of this 421 Athena Banshee. This is a long rail-out stroker nightmare that we've made video after video about on the builds. We've got test runs, we've got brake hacks, we've got how to test and tune videos. Made all kinds of videos with this Banshee. It's an absolutely gorgeous quad. And now this thing rips. We got it dialed in. This right here is the top end plug drop. We pulled this thing wide open for a count of 5. Shut her down. We've got motocross laps where we're on the back tracks doing tests and tunes. All kinds of little bits and pieces of videos put together so that you guys see this thing run without having to watch 20 minutes worth of me talking. Now, of course, when I was doing some of these tests, I didn't check everything over at first. You go ripping down the road and find out you've got no back brakes. You bring it back to the shop, you fix the back brakes. We had a master cylinder that was leaking down. Got another master cylinder off eBay. Ironically, it said it was for a Banshee, but it didn't fit, so I had to rob the internals out of it, take both of them apart, swap stuff around, clean stuff up. We got the master cylinder working like brand new again. I made a brake bleed hack video showing how to easily bleed brakes without having to fight with everything. That's if you turn around and try gravity bleeding and it doesn't work. Yep. If you haven't hit that subscribe button to this video or to the channel, you might want to hit that subscribe button. We got all kinds of tests and tunes, how-tos, tech tips, motocross riding, off-road riding, builds, trikes, quads, all kinds of neat stuff on this channel. Flip through, check out the videos. We got playlists. You get bored, just hit play all. You can get hours of motocross with a push of a button. We're going to take this thing back out, rip around some more. Now, these videos were made in a couple of different pieces. I was going through and tuning the carburetor while I was making these videos. That's the test and tune video that we've got. It's like 20 some odd minutes long, but it is in depth on how to go through and test and tune and plug drop an engine. Sequences that I went through, how I did it, and the processes with the ride video. This engine was ground up. It showed up with a hole in the cases. We welded up the cases, put a new crank in it, new top end. Engine's pretty much brand spanking new. It runs like a champ. Absolute monster after I got it dialed in. Comments are always welcome. Let me know what you think about these kind of builds. Do you ride? Where are you from? If you don't enjoy the content, I wouldn't imagine you'd be here watching it. So I know this is limited niche content. There's not a lot of people that like watching this kind of stuff. But there is a handful of you, and I'm really glad you're out there and you watch this stuff. Puts a smile on my face, and I'm glad I can make content for you. Enjoy the rest of the video. We got some more shots of riding, using off track. Not really getting a lot of hang time or air jumps because, well, it's a custom swing arm and it's not designed for jumping. This quad is not designed for jumping, so we're just popping it off some of the jumps a little bit. We're not hitting the doubles, we're not hitting the triple. Y'all have a great day. Remember, likes, subscribes, comments, watch the video as long as you possibly can. It helps the videos get out to more and more people. I've got to figure out the whole thumbnail thing, because my click-through rate's horrible. Other than that, enjoy the video, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.